Hi, all of us like Idiyappam very much. In this video, we see about how to make Idiyappam very softly and tastily. Take 1 cup of rice flour. Take 500 ml of water in a saucepan. Boiled it. Add hot water and stir the flour very fastly. Add little salt to it. The consistency of the flour idiyappam is like this only. Take the idiyappam mavu into this idiyappam maker. Take one idli plate and add this in this. Cook idiyappam in the idli pot for 10 minutes. By this time we prepare coconut milk. Coconut milk for idiyappam. Our idiyappam cook well. Transfer it into a plate. Wow, it is very soft. Serve idiyappam with coconut milk and not chakra.
Thank you for watching.